Is on a Casa Grande, newly built. This is fully metaled, so you can get an idea how it could look. And these are the details. Let's go in. It's for a tracking price of $425. Coming into the main hallway. We'll see those bedrooms soon. First, let's go into the main living spaces. Here you got this big wide hallway. This is the dining room, living room, kitchen area. This comes with different choices, but with these beautiful kitchens with these countertops. Okay, let me go give you a different wide view so you can see how big this area actually is. Nice big open concept. And now let's go into the master bedroom. This is a big, huge master bedroom. With a nice big window out to the yard and a private door out to the yard. Here you have your own full bathroom. Here's the toilet. Big, huge walk-in closet. Let's go to the other bedrooms. Walking again through this we didn't show. Look what a nice, this is from the living room space. Look what a nice big doors, windows out, side view. This is a nice little living room, which I guess could be converted into another bedroom or anything else. We got another bedroom. Nice wide bedroom. Oh, wow, nice big closet. Full bathroom. Got another bedroom here. A nice big closet. Half bathroom. Here you got the big wash and dryer room. Now let's go out to the yard. Oops. This is for $425.